Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I actually have my light on, my mic on, and I have a new monitor that my mom actually got me for my birthday. So I'm hoping that it looks decent. It's actually pretty heavy, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm really hoping that it works. The monitor is a little bit delayed, so that kind of bothers me. I'm trying to see how it looks. But anyways, we went to Dollar Tree. It was kind of unexpected little trip. So yeah, I thought I'll go ahead and share with you guys what we picked up today. Tomorrow we're actually going to Target and I'll also show you guys that. But that obviously will be tomorrow. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what we picked up. I'm sorry if I keep looking at the monitor. It's new, so I'm still trying to like figure it out. I'm just gonna take everything out of the bag before I even clean it, just so I can show you guys. If you've been here before, you guys know I actually really love these. I get these all the time, and they are dish drying mats. I keep them right up there and up there, so I really do love these. I got some crafting paint brushes. I buy my daughter these water things. I believe I showed them on TikTok. I'll put it on the screen. And I needed some more brushes. She only has a couple, so I decided to pick some up. I got some more of these. Cookout season is here, so I got some more of these for cookouts. Like I said, cookout season is here, so we're having a lot more people over. So I got some more spoons, forks, and knives. And oh, there's still two more things. My husband got some nasal inhaler. It's with pink salt. He gets a lot of migraines, so this will definitely help with that. And it even says that you can use it to help relieve insect bites. Oh, and it's recommended for like headaches also. Oh, you guys could even see that. So that's cool. My husband saw these and he's like, I have to get them. They look so fancy for toddlers, but these really cute sunglasses. They're so freaking cute. All right, so let's move on to another bag. You guys know I get a lot of things for my toddler at Dollar Tree. So I did get some stuff. This is the first time I've seen them, so I kind of had to. So they had these sticker so they have these sticker activity pads. I don't know why I couldn't say that. And it comes with stickers, and it's basically like it's really cool. So it comes with some activities. You could color on it. It comes obviously again with the stickers, and then it also comes with like a play scene kind of little page there. So I got the mini one. I got a Disney princess one, which is really cute because it comes with a castle. Actually, it matches my new Petunia Pickle Bottom bag. And then I also picked up this Mickey Mouse one. I hope you guys can see. The monitor is honestly pretty delayed, so as long as I know I'm in frame, I think I'm okay. It's just kind of annoying that I am completely like it's really delayed. I got this superhero sticker fun activity books. She loves the face one, so I got a fashion one, and I also got like a superhero one. She likes superheroes, so I thought that'd be really cute for her. For my husband's lunch, if you guys have seen, I pack mayo and also pack like cream cheese in these little containers. So I got two of those. My husband loves this Dial antibacterial soap. I honestly got these from my mom. So they're claw clips, and they're very little ones. And this is for my mom because she always wants to put her hair up to get it out of her way. So I got that for her. My husband needed some more shaving cream foam stuff. Oh, I really hope that the glare from the light isn't driving you guys crazy. I also got some black rubber bands. We lose these like crazy. My husband literally told me I throw them away every time I see them. So yeah. You guys know I do actually like doing these word searches. My daughter actually got a hold of two of my other ones, and yeah. So I got two more. I'm not a Friends fan, and they had The Office also. Not an Office fan either. I know so many people love The Office and so many people love Friends, and I don't like either or. But they had version 1 and 2, and I like the layout of this so much better. So I got two of those. Next bag. My husband actually gets the mushroom ones of these, but this time he got the extra strength B12 vitamins. I saw these and honestly, it just looked really good. It says ready to eat Snickers. It's cookie dough and they're bite sized. They're really good, but they don't taste like Snickers. They actually taste like Reese's. So it threw me off a little bit. My husband loves these. He got 2 of these. I didn't know he was going to get this, but it's a hazelnut cream with milk and cocoa, I guess. And I think he got these to snack on with my munchkin. So it is Bella Rosa white cheddar cheese and almonds and cranberries. These, there's actually really a good idea since she loves snacking all day. This one has cheddar cheese. You guys can even tell. Got 2 of the cheddar cheeses. She does love her yellow cheese. And this is a Lunchable, which I didn't know he picked up, but he picked up a little fake Lunchable. All right. And then I've mentioned this before, but they're really expensive at my Target, so I got 2 more of these. I actually had one of these for dinner today, and I also picked up creamy garlic. This is more like a run that we didn't need to have. We just did. So, yeah. I personally love these. So this is milk chocolate raisins. They're so good. We have a big one, and my husband said it's probably expired, so we got another one, and it is tahini. He got a lemonade energy drink. I'm kind of being surprised with the stuff that he got because I didn't look. So, it's like the 3rd time I buy black pepper, guys. I have no idea what I've been doing with the black pepper. So, we got another black pepper. I got this for my toddler's room. I thought it was really cute. I normally decorate her room for whatever season, and I'm not gonna do 4th of July because that's a waste. I don't know. I just don't feel like that's a holiday I really want to like go all out for. So I just got a nice sun because I thought it was really cute. So she has a nice, cute little playset that my mom actually got her from Amazon, and it's to play doctor. And my husband's like, oh, get her some bandages for that. So we got her these. This is for doctor. So we got those for her. Tell Papi to open it. It's bandages, baby. It's a Band-Aid. And then I got this silicone straw case. I have the kind of the thing that kind of sticks to it. This just looked more pleasing to me to make it look nice and clean on my bag. So yeah, I got her 2 books. I got her Help Me Follow Where You Lead, Little Blessings. And then I also got her I Love God and God Loves Me, which I was looking at the books in the store and I really, really liked what they represent. So I really wish I had all the other ones, which are like those. Yes, baby. Oh, look at that. He did get a mushroom one, and he also got a turmeric and ginger and black pepper one. So for our future trip, we did buy, well, not we, my mom actually gifted it to me, the air tags. And these air tags, we saw these for $1. So why not? It's just like, oh, we might as well get them. So we got 3 of these. The car seat's gonna have one since it's gonna be checked in. The bag's gonna have one, it's gonna be checked in. My daughter's obviously gonna have one. And then the stroller's gonna have one as well, since it's gonna go under. To be safe. My husband got these for outside, and they're on. So move those out of the way. I absolutely love these. I'm gonna throw it right back there. I love these to cook and bake with. So I got it in black. I got another one of the little bags, garbage bags. I like keeping them in the car. I keep forgetting to put it in the car. But I like keeping them in the car, and I do use them for my daughter's diapers as well. And I saw this and I didn't need it, but I got it anyways. And it's LA Colors Tropical Bloom. This color looks absolutely beautiful and completely on my alley. So like that. And then the last thing, right? No. Oh, well, yeah, kind of. The last thing I did, I always get paper towels for my bathroom. And then my husband did get 2 new Hot Wheel cars for my daughter. And then he got this aftershave this aftershave fresh scent little thing for after when he shaves. He's showing. Wow, mi amor. All right, I really hope you guys enjoy this portion of the video. I will see you guys tomorrow when we come back from Target. So we got some quinoa. My daughter absolutely loves white rice, so this is great to give her some fiber in her diet, and it is whole grain as well. She loves her goldfish, so we got some goldfish. We got some more raisins for a snack for her. I got the Blue Lizard Australian sunscreen. We use this brand for my daughter for sunscreen. Thank you, Gabby, for recommending it. This one is water resistant, 18 minutes, SPF 15. I really wanted it because of the SPF. I get really, really badly dry. Like it looks like my eczema flares up on my lips really bad in the winter, in the summer. So I had to get this. My daughter and my husband's favorite pasta, and this is red lentils. I got 2 of the homemade style Alfredo. I don't think I've gotten this one before, but it was on sale, so I just got this one. This is my husband's favorite, and he doesn't really like spaghetti, but the fact that he loves this one, I got 2. You guys already know we love these noodles. I got some unsalted butter for when I make bread. Me and my daughter's favorite, peanut butter and jelly, grape. I got some Colby Jack sticks. My daughter loves these. My husband got this guy to clean the grill. 'Tis the season. And then I did see in the dollar spot that they had these guys. So these are light up foam sticks, which I thought was great for her to play with, since she always waves ones like this that I get at Dollar Tree, but these were at Target. Again, I got them for 4th of July, but I really love that these are like soft, so if she kind of wets it around, she's not hurting anybody or herself. Then we got one more thing at Target because they were on sale. All right, so we got these mini LOL bites. My daughter loves these. We always give these to her when she either does something really good, or like for a while we're giving it to her when she reused the bathroom. Even when we start trying to potty train again, this will come in handy. Little presents. So these were $2. They're originally $9, so we got 12. Last time we did the same thing. We actually bought the whole thing last time, but she loves them, so we thought, why not? All right, so I know this video is already super duper long. I really hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave this emoji down below if you are still here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.